What's up guys, this is Watch Junkie and today I'm going to review another watch. This is the SKMEI 1193. Okay, so let's get down to the specification. Okay, so this is a digital watch and this is rated 50 meters water resistant. You have a rotating bezel, as you can see there. It's pretty hard to rotate, using gloves, but anyway, it's a rotating bezel and it's just for aesthetics. Okay, so this is a very interesting watch because I think this is the first time I have acquired a type of watch which has all the pushers on one side of the case. As you can see here, you have 4 pushers here, and we'll go into that and functions and everything, but let me just give you a bit of a specification in this one. So again, digital watch, and this is a resin case or plastic. It has acrylic glass, and for the band material you have polyurethane material. Okay, and also, yeah, some call it PVD. Okay, you also have a plastic buckle at the end. Okay, it's not metal, it's plastic. Okay, now going to the back, you have a stainless steel back with 4 screws. And as you can see there, okay, water resistant to 50 meters or 5 atmosphere, and shown there the model, which is 1193. And the battery for this bad boy is CR2025. Okay, now let's go to this display. Okay, the display of this watch is a negative display. Okay, and let's go to the measurements. Okay, so this watch has a diameter of 47 millimeter. You also have a thickness of 14 millimeters. You have a lug to lug of 55 millimeters, quite long, and also a lug width of 22 millimeters. Now this watch features 12/24 time. You also have day, date, and the month, and you also have a timer on this one. Okay, a stopwatch timer rather, a countdown timer, and alarm, and a dual time. So this has also an electroluminescent light as you press the top pusher. So if I were to assign these pushers, I will assign them from top to bottom, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so A will give you the luminescent light. Cool. Okay, now B actually will do a toggle on the menus. Okay, and yeah, it beeps while you push it. Okay, same as other Casios there. What else? Okay, so if you push this once, and then you have the alarm, which I don't use alarm on watches, so let's just go to the other one. This is a stopwatch. Okay, so pressing the C button, or I think it's a D, yeah, it's the D button allowing the stopwatch to start, and if you press the D again, it will pause or stop. Okay, pressing that back again will continue the stopwatch, and resetting it, yeah, you have to press D again to stop it, and then reset it pressing the C. You also have a split time on this one, so let me just show that to you. Okay, so press the D and then press the C. Okay, it is actually giving you a split time, and pressing the C again will continue the stopwatch. Okay, so resetting that again, press D and then press C. All right, now let's move on to the other function. So okay, this has a dual time, as I've mentioned. So this is actually set 1 hour advanced to what I'm currently using. Okay, and also a timer. Now the timer on this one is actually 24-hour timer. So pressing D to start the timer. Okay, stop it, pressing D again, and then pressing C. Okay, if you want to adjust this, I believe you have to hold the D, I think. No. Okay, my bad. I haven't really played with this bad boy here, but not really quite sure. I think this is, nope. Okay, I'm just messing. So I think somewhere between this toggles, but anyways, so you get the idea. Now pressing that back again will put you on the original screen, or yeah, the original display. As you can also notice, if you notice that if you press this, it has this beeping sound, and then once you go back to the main display, I don't know whether you can hear that, it's actually, the tone is quite different. Yeah, the same note probably, but it is an octave higher there. See? Yeah. All right, so there you go. This is my quick review of this watch, the SKMEI 1193. The reason I'm reviewing these watches are because, yeah, I kind of find any reviews in these watches, but yeah, well, if it's not English, there's just few of them. Okay, but yeah, my thoughts. Well, it's a really inexpensive watch. I got this for about $5, and yeah, for a $5 watch, you know, you cannot expect anything much. But I'm pretty surprised on the capabilities of this watch. Well, yeah, like the timer, the countdown, and the dual time, which really impressed me. Build quality, yeah, it's just fine for a $5. But hey, I mean, you use this. If it's broken, yeah, just throw it away, buy a new one. Okay, will I buy another one? Definitely. The reason I buy these cheap watches is just, aside from this review, I kind of like, you know, to wear them on my daily activities. I have another watch from Casio and also from SKMEI as well, or SKMEI. Some call it SKMEI. But yeah, I have yeah, a couple of watches here that I'm gonna review in the future. Well, the reason for acquiring those watches is just basically, you know, I have to do water sports, and I own G-Shocks, but I really don't want to snorkel or swim with these G-Shock watches I have. I rather get a nice inexpensive watch, which is kind of stylish also, and if it's broken, then yeah, you can just throw them away and replace it with another one. But well, so far those watches pretty held good. Yeah, the other watch, the Casio that I got like 3 weeks ago, yeah, it's still okay. You know, I snorkel with it. I have some footages which I'm going to do a review later in the future. But yeah, it really held up. The other SKMEI I have is the same case. I had to do some water sports, and I acquired that watch, and yeah, it pretty much served its purpose. So there you go. Again, this is the SKMEI, and yep, if you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up button there. Okay, if you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a comment down below. And if you want to know more about my future videos, then yeah, hit the subscribe button. Until then, this is Watch Junkie saying keep watching. Bye.